Let me show you how you can multi-stream or live stream to multiple social media platforms at the same time. I'm Sarah Nguyen, and on this channel, I help you grow your business using video with ease. In this StreamYard tutorial, I'm walking you through how you can easily multi-stream, whether you're looking to live stream to a Facebook page, Facebook group, YouTube, or any other live stream platform at the same time in a few clicks. Let's go over to my computer now and I'll show you how. Once you've logged into StreamYard, before you can multi-stream, you will need to add all of the destinations, so the channels and the groups and the accounts that you want to actually multi-stream to. So once you've logged into StreamYard, go to destinations on the left-hand side and select that. And then here you want to go to add a destination, click on that. And you will see all the different accounts that you'll need to add to StreamYard if you want to multi-stream to them. So whether that's Facebook page, Facebook group, Facebook profile, your YouTube channel, you can see all the different platforms here. So click on the account that you want to actually add and then follow the prompts to add them to the account. So I'm going to click on Facebook page. I'm going to connect Facebook. And then I'll follow the prompt. So I'm going to select this page, and then I can see the success message that the destination has been added. So when I go back to destinations, I can see all of the accounts added here. And these will be the ones that I can select when I want to multi-stream. And you would continue to go through and select add a destination and connect all of the accounts. Once you've done that and you're ready to set up your broadcast for your live stream that you're ready to multi-stream to, you would select broadcast and then create a broadcast. And as you can see, I've got all the different accounts here that I can multi-stream to. So you would select the ones that you want to live stream to. So I'm going to select demo page, and I'm going to select this Thriving Creator Facebook page. I'm going to name the live stream. I'm going to add a description, and then I'm going to customize each destination. That allows me to then change the title and description for each of the destinations that I want to live stream to. So once you've done that, go ahead and select Create Broadcast. And this will take you into the StreamYard Broadcast Studio. Make sure you allow your mic and cam access to enter the studio. Once you're in StreamYard's live studio, you can see the destinations in the top right-hand corner here next to the Go Live button. If you click on Edit, you'll be able to see that you can still add more destinations if you wanted to add them later on. And you can also edit them as well, so change the title and the description of these platforms that you want to multi-stream to. And then once you're ready, all you would do is hit the Go Live button and you would automatically start multi-streaming to these channels. And you know you're live because these channels that you're multi-streaming to have a green check next to them. You've got the live icon on the left-hand side here. And then once you're ready to end the live stream, you would simply click End Broadcast. Once the broadcast has ended, you'll be able to see these links drop down here, and then you'll be able to see your live stream on the pages that you've multi-streamed to, as well as download the recording as well. If you found this video useful, hit the like button for me. Let me know in the comments section below. What other live stream tutorials would you like to learn about? I love making these videos for you. And in the meantime, why don't you either check out my StreamYard playlist or grab a copy of my YouTube blueprint where I share my framework to help you go from stuck and overwhelmed to thriving and profitable on YouTube. Check them out by clicking on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.